Hello everyone, my name is Miles. I am not a professional AC tech. This video is for people who have an attic installed AC furnace unit only. If your AC and furnace unit is not in the attic like this, if you have to open a door, closet door, or if your AC unit is on the same floor as your bedrooms and all your other rooms, do not watch this video for your safety. I am in the attic. Watch out for studs. These suckers hurt when they hit your head, and they will do that if you're not careful. Trust me, I've done it several times. I live in Texas. It gets really hot here. My AC unit tends to have to work really hard in order to keep the house cool. A lot of people are having problems with that also. One reason can be because of this right here. This is a fresh air fan. What it does is it brings fresh air from the outside with this duct. It goes to the outside, brings in fresh air. Right now is like 90 degrees, maybe 100. Comes in the fan, goes out this duct into the air conditioning unit and into the house. Because of that, it's going to make the air conditioner have to work harder because it's pulling such hot weather. Or hot air, sorry. Don't judge me. Alright, it's hot up here, right? Cut me slack. So what I end up doing is I end up disconnecting this completely. I don't use it. The purpose of this is for when it's humid outside or it's humid inside, you tend to get that condensation buildup on your windows, and it tends to start, dripping down your windows and so forth. That can cause mold and so forth. So if you're having that problem, get with an AC tech, find out the best way to resolve both issues. But either way, I don't have that problem with the humidity. I have a dehumidifier in my house, so problem solved on that side. So what I do is I unplug it and disconnect it. To do that, there should be a cord coming straight from the box to the fan, going up into a plug outlet. If you don't have it to a plug outlet, get with your AC tech. They'll probably be able to help you the best way to resolve your issue. But mine is simple. I can just unplug it, just like that. I take the cord, I put it somewhere out of the way so it's not going to get tripped over or yanked off or tripped or yanked or pulled or whatever. Again, don't judge me. This right here, I'm going to show you the inside. What I also tend to do is I remove the filter so I can actually feel cold air coming through there right now from the air conditioning unit because it's sucking it through here. All right, so this is the filter. I just cleaned it. This thing was filthy a little while ago because I never cleaned it. I'm going to put this in place of it. This is not the filter. This is just a cardboard piece, and that's going to keep the hot air from coming through there, because when your main fan kicks on, it's going to suck air through anyway. It's still going to draw air. Right now it's pulling air through. I can actually feel it sucking. So to prevent that from happening, I'm going to put this in with the cardboard. Make sure it's flush, and I don't feel any more air getting drawn through. Alright, lock that into place, and done deal. Now if you do want to keep using this, keep it plugged in. You can adjust how often and how long it runs for by right here. Get with your owner's manual on the unit and see the best way to set it. But you can determine how often it comes on and how long it runs for. All right, that's kind of dust. I need to clean that up. It's pretty filthy in there. And then just close it up. Okay, now because I did that, I'm also going to add this to the plug. Basically reminds whoever touches this plug that they need to do something. Hopefully they read it. Just going to tap onto there, tap onto there. And again, whoever grabs this plug should see that, and it'll remind them to put that on, or basically take the filter cover off so that way air will circulate. If you don't take that cardboard out and you plug this back in, it will probably burn up your motor. Okay, so don't hold me responsible for that. Alrighty? Again, all you need to do is unplug it. You do not have to do the rest of the stuff with the cardboard and so forth. That's just something I do. So just an option to you.